27 representatives of civil society organizations announced a nationwide poll campaign to push the focus of the Lok Sabha elections back to the basic issues like farmers' problems, unemployment amongst youth, lack of jobs, etc.
The campaign will kick off from the 23rd of March all over the country. It will start from Tinsukia in Assam to Nandurbar in Maharashtra with the motto Desh Mera, Vote Mera, Mudda Mera. The civil societies will hold various programs in the form of rallies, marches and seminars in at least 100 different locations across the country.
इस कैंपेन का नाम है देश मेरा, वोट मेरा, मुद्दा मेरा। और इस कैंपेन के पीछे जो उद्देश्य है वो ये कि देखिए, चुनाव 5 साल में एक बार आते हैं। चुनाव वो अवसर होता है कि सरकार के काम की समीक्षा हो, परफॉर्मेंस पे हिसाब मांगा जाए, सवालों का जवाब मांगा जाए। और ऐसे समय में जब लोकसभा चुनाव का माहौल बना हुआ है तो इस वक्त देश का सबसे गंभीर मुद्दा जो है वो है बेरोज़गारी का। देश के कई और मुद्दे हैं, किसानों का मुद्दा, काला धन का मुद्दा, पॉलिटिकल फंडिंग का मुद्दा, गंगा की सफाई का मुद्दा। ऐसे कई मुद्दे हैं जो जेन्युइन इश्यूज़ हैं, वाजिब इश्यूज़ हैं, जिस पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए, जिस पर सरकार से सवाल पूछे जाने चाहिए।
See, the issues are very simple for the last almost about 2 years. All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee, umbrella organization of about 210 organizations pan-India. We have been talking about 2 things. Number one, how to save agriculture. The only way out to save agriculture as such is to ensure that the youngsters come back to agriculture. Agriculture is a profitable preparation. Therefore, all the loans on the farmer should be scrapped. So the narrative has to come back to Kisan again. The narrative has to come back to the youth again. The narrative has to come back to a direction for the next generation. That's what it's all about.
Sir, what was the objective of this whole come together, and what is your new action plan?
This is an unprecedented coming together of people's organizations. What you have are not 27 organizations, these are 27 coalitions. Represent a coalition of farmers, a coalition of youth, a coalition of organizations of Dalits, a coalition of those who are fighting for right to information, right to food, right to employment. All of them have come together. These are hundreds of organizations. They have come together on just one thing and one day, one action program. The one thing is Desh Mera, Vote Mera, Mudda Mera. My country, my vote, my issues, not the issues that you wish to impose. And that's why we have thought of 23rd of March, which is Shaheed Divas, the day of martyrdom of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. On that day, in thousands of places in this country, we would have range of programs, beginning in the morning with Tinsukia in Assam and ending with Nandurbar in Maharashtra. All over the country, different organizations will come up with their different issues. Someone will talk only about education, someone will talk only about health, someone on employment, someone on farmers. But united with this banner, that election should be on real issues, bring the elections back to the basics.
So will there any kind of march also that from the Tinsukia and it will be concluded in Maharashtra?
No. These are huge distances. So it is a series of programs which would happen independently, and they are all being orchestrated on the same day with the same banner.